Top 5 things you need to know about the options chain. Scrolling through the options chain for the first time can feel like trying to read the matrix: strike prices, expiration dates, bid-ask spreads, Greeks. What does it all mean? In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 things you absolutely need to know when looking at an options chain, so you can stop feeling confused and start placing smarter trades. Number 1. Expiration date. First up, expiration dates. Every option contract has an expiration, and this tells you how long the contract is valid. The closer the expiration, the faster it loses value. That's time decay. As a seller, time is your friend. As a buyer, time decay is your enemy. Pick longer expirations for bigger moves, and shorter expirations if you're looking to capture quick premium or momentum. Pro tip: for beginners, stick with options 30 to 45 days out. It's the sweet spot between time decay and premium. Number 2. Strike prices. Next is the strike price, the price at which you agree to buy or sell the stock. The strike you choose determines how much risk you're taking and how likely your trade is to end up profitable. Want safety? Go further in the money. Want bigger payoff, but more risk? Try out of the money. This choice changes everything, so don't just pick a random number. Pro tip: use Delta to help guide your strike. More on that next. Number 3. Delta and the Greeks. Delta tells you two big things: how much the option price will move for a $1 move in the stock, the estimated probability your option will finish in the money, a 0.30 delta. That's roughly a 30% chance. Also keep an eye on theta. That's how much value the option loses every day. As a seller, you want theta working for you. As a buyer, beware. That ticking clock is real. Pro tip: sellers usually target 20 to 30 delta for higher win rates. Number 4. Bid-ask spread. This is the difference between what buyers are willing to pay and what sellers are asking. Tight spreads equals liquid options. Wide spreads? Stay away. If the bid is $1 and the ask is $1.05, great. But if the bid is $1 and the ask is $1.50, that's a red flag. It's hard to get in or out of those trades at a fair price. Pushpin pro tip: stick to options with tight spreads and high volume, especially as a beginner. Numbers. Number 5. Open interest and volume 4 o'clock to 4:45. Last but not least, open interest and volume. Open interest tells you how many contracts are out there. Volume tells you how many traded today. If both are low, that option is probably illiquid and can be tough to trade. You want high open interest. It means there's real activity, and you'll get better fills. Pro tip: look for open interest in the hundreds, or thousands, before placing a trade. Wrap up. Alright. Let's recap the top 5 things you need to know when reading an options chain. Expiration date. Choose wisely for time decay. Strike price. Controls risk and probability. Delta and the Greeks. Know what you're betting on. Bid-ask spread. Tighter is better. Bar graph. Volume and open interest. More is safer once you understand these 5 things. The options chain goes from overwhelming to empowering. Speech balloon. Drop a comment with which one confused you the most before, or what you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. If this helped demystify the options chain, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that helps real people trade smarter. Want to see how I use these tips in real trades? Check out the video linked here. I'll see you in the next one.